Welcome to the WordPress Academy course, where you will go from a beginner to a competent WordPress website developer. My name is Chris and I'm here to guide you through this course step by step. I have many years of experience developing websites and also creating online courses with thousands of satisfied students. This course has been designed for anybody looking for a comprehensive guide to building websites using WordPress. By the end of this course, you will have the confidence and ability to build a variety of different websites and also even convert a HTML website to a WordPress theme. This course is designed with a project-based approach, so the techniques you learn will be immediately put into practice. We begin by introducing you to WordPress and getting familiar with the dashboard and also the files and folders included. Also, you will learn how to set up a local development environment, along with installing WordPress and also the database. As you progress through the course, you will build 3 complete website projects, which cover everything you need to know about building websites with WordPress. We'll cover everything from building blogs to e-commerce stores. Then we take things even further by covering PHP basics and then move on to coding our own theme by converting a HTML website to WordPress completely from scratch. After that, we even take a dive into WordPress networking to allow you to build your own WordPress multi-site. This is great for uses such as having a network of sites under the control of one dashboard. The ideal student for this course is somebody new to WordPress, or even if you've tried WordPress before but never quite managed to fully understand how to use it effectively. A little experience of HTML and CSS will be an advantage, especially in the last project. However, there are no other requirements for taking this course, just an eagerness to learn. So feel free to take a look through the course description and also the lectures covered to discover everything you will learn during this course. So hit the Take This Course button and I look forward to seeing you inside the course.